It gives the Maverick great pleasure to discuss the fortunes of the struggling Manchester United, bumped out of the Champions League and totally out of Europe, finishing dead last in their group, which included Galatasaray and FC Copenhagen. And look, this is not about Manchester United being unlucky and getting a few bad results. There is a kind of universal acceptance that Manchester United is playing rubbish football and looking like a proper rubbish team. And as they've been doing consistently since the departure of Sir Alex Ferguson, the club continues to transform good players into rubbish players and convert world-class coaches into despondent, bewildered, shadow of themselves individuals, as we continue to enjoy the demise of the once mighty Manchester United. And by the way, Man U visits the league leaders on Sunday, and that league leader happens to be a certain Liverpool. And the place they are going to visit is a certain Anfield. No, we're not getting 7 this time. No, we're not getting 7 this time. We're not getting about 9.